Hello everybody. So we got our winch mounted up, all set, and like I said in our video before, we're going to put up put a plow on. We got this really nice plow here on Amazon. Give you an overview of all the parts laid out, except for all the nuts and bolts are in the bag still. But you can see, you know, it's a pretty good quality plow actually. I was pleasantly surprised, and you know, it was in the range of about 300 bucks. You can see the mounting bracket. It was real thick. I mean, this is really, I'm really impressed actually. I mean, it's going to be great. Okay, we got the plow together. However, the instructions did not match up at all. I don't know if maybe I have a newer plow and they didn't update the instructions, but it seems a lot easier than those instructions if it was the other plow. It was pretty simple and straightforward, just a matter of figuring out which bolts belong where. A lot less assembly, it seems like, than the instructions. You can see we have this pivot here, which will pivot the plow, the springs. And you have the main post here. And then you have this bracket here, so it was just a matter of, I guess, guessing or looking at the photos that they had on their online website. Have a ton of parts left over. These are off of the U-bolts for the mounting bracket, which I'm going to install next. Okay, got the plow on and the mount on. This was really a little bit complicated. I'd say this is probably the hardest part, but basically I had to find the right spot to put the mount with the U-bolts. You know, I took a lot of calculating. Do I want to put it back here? But it wouldn't fit back here. You know, you got the foot peg right here. Can't put it there. So then you end up going forward more. So I found a good place to mount it here in the front and here in the back. I had to drill through the plastic right here, and then drill through the plastic right there, drill through there, drill through there. Got it connected. Try to get under here so you can see what it looks like. Not too much ground clearance there, but I guess that's okay. Get some bigger tires maybe. Let's give it a little test. Turn it on. There you go. Up. Down. Okay, gonna give it a little test, check it out. Gonna raise it up. There you go. Got this pivot right here, can pivot. Wherever you may like it. It's this way. Drop it down. That works pretty good.